A geothermal system grows in Brooklyn. While New York City, especially Manhattan, is known for 1,000-foot tall skyscrapers, its newest feat occurred nearly 500 feet underground Brooklyn. The One Java Street project is the largest mixed-use development in New York State to have a ground-source geothermal system for heating and cooling. When completed in 2026, there will be more than 800 residential apartments plus retail spaces in 2 towers, and the complex will be fully electric. The geothermal system included 321 vertical boreholes were drilled 499 feet into the ground, spaced on 15-foot centers. An 1.25-inch diameter high-density polyethylene HDPE PE4710 pipe loop was inserted into each. 326,000 feet of vertical loop pipe from Versaprofiles was used in the boreholes, with another 31,000 feet of HDPE pipe was used for lateral distribution. Those boreholes were drilled by GeoSource Energy, which also installed the geothermal pipe loops as ground heat exchangers. The Ontario-based company was brought in to solve the problem of drilling in rock under 90 feet of overburden, with the top 50 feet being soft fill and muck, then 40 feet or more of solid silt. Stanley Reitzma, GeoSource's CEO, said that getting to the rock at 100 feet was no problem. Then, drilling the rock was a success because we had multiple techniques at our disposal. This was heavily fractured with an awful lot of water production and couldn't be done drilling with air, which would be typical. GeoSource's 4 rigs knocked out 20 holes a week with a crew of 12. Every available area that could be drilled was drilled. The geothermal loops consist of 2 strands of pipe, one up and one down, united at the bottom of the hole by a U-bend. Vertical loop pipe is made at the Versaprofiles factory, fused, pressure tested, and cut to the exact length required by the project. One Java Street was voted 2023 Project of the Year by the Building and Construction Division of PPI for its use of HDPE pipe. Each year, the PPI membership reviews and votes on the Project of the Year for each of the 5 PPI divisions. The award was presented to PPI member company Versaprofiles Products, manufacturer of the pipe. Reitzma said that his company has been using the Versaprofiles pipe for about 15 years. The PE4710 is a great pipe, he said. It's longer-lasting pipe with less chance of fatigue, and it should last 100 years plus. Additional information and data about ground-source geothermal systems and a detailed case history about the One Java project are available from the PPI Building and Construction Division at www.plasticpipe.org/buildingconstruction.